everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we've got a speed clean. I'm going to try and get done as much as I can while my son is in school today, and I only have Nirvana with me. So I'm going to go ahead and start by tidying up the living room. This living room was clean this morning when we came downstairs, and within an hour, this is what they've managed to do. When they are together, they are like the biggest tornadoes, and when they're on their own, they're totally different. They literally only play with one toy, and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle in here first, and I also have my little helper helping me today as well. Nirvana absolutely loves putting water in her little spray bottle. We bought her a cleaning caddy for Christmas, and she absolutely loves this. So she sprays water on the fireplace and she wipes it down, and I tried to get this cloth back off her to try and clean it myself, and she would not give it to me. So I ended up having to go and get my own cloth and wiped over it, but she just continued to spray water over it, so she ended up putting more streaks on there. So I just left it to her. At least it was clean after I cleaned it, and then, you know, she kind of did whatever she wanted to it, but I went ahead and just wiped everything down in here. And then once in here is done, I'm going to go ahead and move on into the kitchen.
It feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
So moving on to the kitchen, we're going to go ahead and start in here now that we've done the living room. There isn't that much to do in here, guys, but I do have a massive load of dishes to put away. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that, and then I'm going to clear off all the counters and just give them a general wipe down, really.
I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say
And that's the kitchen all done as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and fold some laundry, get it all folded and get it all put away, and then that is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to leave you guys here to enjoy the music and watch the rest of the video. But again, I appreciate every single one of you. If you're new here, I would love for you to consider sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. But without further ado, I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up